Morning class! So today we are going to learn some common Samoan phrases. Put your listening ears on and let's go. Oa mai oe means how are you? Oa mai oe, how are you? Manuia whawhetai means I'm good, thank you. Manuia whawhetai, I'm good, thank you. Oailo ingoa means what's your name? Oailo ingoa, what's your name? Ofea e te sawai means where are you from? Ofea e te sawai, where are you from? Ofea e te alo iai means where are you going? Ofea e te alo iai, where are you going? O lea o te I le whale means I am at home. O lea o te I le whale, I am at home. Sau e ai means come eat. Sau e ai, come eat. Ua tāle whia means what is the time? Ua tāle whia, what is the time? Alue matamata le TV means go and watch TV. Alue matamata le TV, go and watch TV. Whawhetai ua tāwhai loai means pleased to meet you. Whawhetai ua tāwhai loai, pleased to meet you. E whia le tau means how much is this? E whia le tau, how much is this? Awa popole means don't worry about it. Awa popole, don't worry about it. E whiololo la ufa'a Samoa means I can speak a little Samoan. E whiololo la ufa'a Samoa, I speak a little Samoan. Alofa atu means I love you. Alofa atu, I love you. O te le malamalama means I don't understand. O te le malamalama, I don't understand. Manuia le aso means have a nice day. Manuia le aso, have a nice day. Wow, you did amazing. Give yourself a round of applause.